effort, the more efforts, kumbaga mag-show up lang yung babae sa date ng maganda, na-attract na tayo. Kumbaga, the more effort they do, is mas na-attract tayo. Kasi yun tayo eh. As men, iisa lang. Effort equals attraction. Pero sa female, very complex. Okay? Hindi lang sila simpleng effort is equals to attraction. Mas complex talaga yun sa kanila. However, pinasimple ko in a way na, kasi diba tayo mga lalaki is logical tayo eh. So, pinasimple ko in a way na maiintindihan mo to logically. So, that's why gumawa ako ng tinatawag na truth table. Ito na, gumamit na tayo ng mga boolean. Mga truth table. So, kung ikaw ay engineer, electrical engineer, or computer engineering kasi ako dati, isa to sa naging subject namin. So, about truth tables, kumbaga, ginagamit to for logic. Tinatawag nating truth table. Alright? So, female, hindi lang sila basta effort equals attraction. Hindi sila equals. It should be attraction and efforts. Okay, security again. Yung efforts natin, signal yan ng I'm nice and safe. Kumbaga security. Alright, so kaya nilagay ko dito, security. So sa kanila, hindi effort equals attraction. It should be attraction and security. Okay, so dito sa baba, ito yung table natin. So ito, end table yan. Ito yung columns, attraction, security, and the output. 0 means false. 1 means true or present. So if zero attraction, meaning hindi sila nakakaramdam ng sexual attraction with you, and also hindi nila feel safe sila with you, 0. Okay? Security, 0. So before tayo mag-jump dito pala, attraction, ito, kaya importante na attraction muna before security. It's because yung attraction is what makes them choose you. Okay? They need to be attracted to you before they choose you. Kaya dapat 1 yan. If 0 attraction, ibig sabihin, they won't choose you. Hindi ka nila pipiliin. When it comes to security, this one, ito yung magde-decide kung mag-stay sila sa'yo if they want to be around you. Okay? If they will stay with you. So, security yan. Stay. So, pag 0, ibig sabihin, 0 attraction. Pag 0, 0 security. So, same lang. If 0 attraction or 0 wala silang nararamdamang attraction sa'yo, sexual attraction, and they do not feel safe around you, ang output na is isa kang ghost. Okay, ghost, ibig sabihin invisible. Isa ka lang NPC sa kanila. Di ka nila nakikita. Wala lang. You're just existing. Wala silang nararamdaman sa'yo. But,